Hey everybody, this should be another very quick car related video. I said this before, I'm absolutely no car professional, so I only do things at home that I'm really comfortable with, but you can save a lot of money on these little things. I had my car in the shop for warranty stuff. This is a 2021 Mazda CX-9 and they recommended to replace the cabin air filter for the air condition, and on their quote I think they asked for $70. Now that filter alone I bought online for $10, and this is work you can really do by yourself. I get it, they gotta make a higher profit margin and they gotta need their labor paid, but sorry, I do this myself. So to replace that cabin air filter, all you gotta do is open your glove box, empty it out obviously, and I'm gonna have to put my tripod here so I can show you what I mean. So I hope this will work and I don't tear down the whole tripod while I try to demo this. When you open the glove box, all you gotta do to get there is you squeeze these two sides together. That unlocks the glove box from the hinge there. And you can bend this down a little bit. There's no need to do anything to the dampener here or anything, because inside, I'm going to move the tripod again. Give me a moment here. Inside you see this whole shebang, and here, this piece is the cover for the cabin air filter. On the side here is a little snap lock thing. It's got here. I can't really see it. I watch on the phone here while I'm doing this. You just push this together a little bit, and then you can open it up like so. And that thing you see here should hold the cabin air filter. Let's see how to pull this out. There it is. Comes out like this. Now one thing is important, just like when you replace your air condition filters in the house, the airflow is important. See here, it has on that plastic frame here, it has a direction indicator. So it says up here and the arrow goes up. Your new filter should go in the same way. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's a little bit dirty. I mean, we breathe that air. We breathe that air while we drive, while we sit in the car, right? So it's a good idea to replace that, especially for $10. I think I reused this plastic frame. Somebody did this before. See that? There's one of these plastic tabs is missing, broke off. That's not a big deal. So just take the old filter out. The new one in here. Arrows line up. Okay. And now push it back in the same way the other one came out. It's so sunny today here, and in the glove box it's dark, so I can't really see what I'm doing. There it goes. Okay. And it's back in. See that? Back inside. And now all I gotta do is put the cover back on top. And this should be all. And I have a feeling the hardest part of the whole project is putting this little plastic lid back on. No, this was actually easy too. And that's it. Glove box goes back up. Cabin air filter replaced. Saved $60. Awesome. You have a good one.